Alright, so we're going to do an update video of Zach's car. So we'll jump in the mighty Helix, the work ute, and we'll go have a look. Alright, we're here at Zach's, my tunnel buddy. Leighton came out and saw his car. It wasn't that long ago, was it?
3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago.
And the car, like a load on a curtain, has come a long way.
Yeah, it's got a motor in it now.
Look at that.
Still got a few things to tidy up on it. I want to paint these and fix these and make it a little bit prettier because this car it gets thrown together before a track day, but this time we've gone a little bit earlier.
And what have you done, Zach?
So I did my apprenticeship at the University of YouTube and Google on engine rebuilding. Got the crank machined, so oversized bearings, ARP rod bolts, rings, new heat gasket, just a real basic freshen up. It's the first time doing anything like it. And the internet had real differing answers, so I was quite worried about it starting. We'll see how it goes, and yeah, hopefully it hangs together and I've done everything right.
Do you want to fire it up for us?
Yeah, I'll give it a whirl, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, you happy going? Oh, I hate you. I fucking hate you.
So it does actually run fine, it doesn't knock.
Flying fuck. Had me going. It was a good one, Nick. It was a really good one.
When's it getting trained?
5th of December.
Are you expecting same sort of power figures, or?
Well, it was 350 kilowatt at the wheels on like 16 pound. I don't really want to chase anymore, but it's got a billet pump on it now, so I can rev it. So I'll just up the limiter to like 7. Yeah, because it was only ever limited at 6.2. So it didn't have much usable power.
So there might be some more grunt in it.
A little bit, but it's still only. It's just got a GDR box in it, so I can't go too crazy with it. And I only want to do it a couple of days in a year in this thing now.
Well, comment below what power you think
Yeah.
it'll make, and if you're right, Zach's gonna give you the wagon.
No, we'll take you for a ride.
Take you for a ride.
Yeah.
Woo! It's more than I was expecting.
17th of December, we'll be able to take you for a ride if you get it right.
Well, Zach, it's good to see you finally get the wagon back and going. You've been all over it like a rash.
Very much so.
Do you want to ask them to subscribe, because it's literally free?
Don't subscribe, our channel's shit.